Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2018 Honda HR-V that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around this pre-owned unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Honda has to offer. Of course, you can see exterior you have your red paint finish accented by your chrome badging across the unit. As we come around towards the back here, you can also see you do have your backup camera equipped back there for you. Cargo space in the back, you can see decent amount of room back there, help keep your gear bags kind of secured out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor mat in your cargo area back there, help keep your vehicle protected as well. Now this Honda also offers all-wheel drive capabilities, making it a great year-round vehicle and even some of those upcoming winter road. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So the unit itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can see you can get 3 in that back seat. A decent amount of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. Again, you do have your floor mats included, both front and back seat as well. So a great accessory throughout the unit. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. Seats themselves are a leather seat. Offer plenty of comfort and are in good condition across the unit as well. Up top you do have your power sunroof. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area. So you do have access to, of course, all your navigation, audio, media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, your settings in there as well. So a lot of great features packed into your touchscreen. You do have your CD player equipped up top as well. Just below that, access to all your climate control options. You do have your heated front seats. Push button start, as you can see down there. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to, of course, all your cruise control options in on there. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities kind of across your left hand side as well. And audio media control, so everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Of course, there are all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. But you can see this Honda HR-V is in great condition inside and out, has a great blend of features as well. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.